You asked for it, here it is. Perfect Practice Mobile. Optimized for smartphone operation, your time, appointments, and to-dos are literally at your fingertips. In fact, your entire Perfect Practice case management system can be accessed from your phone. iPhone, Android, Windows Phone, and tablets too. It really doesn't matter. As long as it can connect to the internet, you're set. Is it an app? Not really, it's more than an app. It's a live connection to your Perfect Practice system. Security features are built in. No device can even connect to your system unless it's authorized. Once your device is authorized, you still need a login and password. This is your login screen. Type in your user ID and password, and you're ready to sign in. This is Home. Simply select the option you want. To see a list of a transaction type, click on the bar. To start a new transaction, click on the plus sign. We'll start with timers. Start a new timer by clicking on the plus sign. The timer has started. Select the matter. The beauty of smartphones is you don't have to type, but you can. Just touch the matter search and type, or activate the mic and speak. If a matter is not selected, the time will be assigned to you. You can reassign it later if needed. As the name of the matter is entered, all matters that match this pattern will appear. Select your matter. Preset activities can be chosen by touching the activity type window. As you speak or type the code, matches to the pattern will appear. Choose the one you want. Phase codes are also supported for task billing. Select the Phase Task Code window. Isn't it great that the same rules always apply? Type in or speak part of the phase task code. Matched patterns will appear. Select the one you want. The description associated with each activity code or phase task code will automatically populate the description field. You can edit as you wish. If you need to work on something else, select the Save button. You are automatically prompted to add the time to the Time Spent field or to create a time entry out of the timer directly to your live system. Saved timers can be reactivated right where you left off. I selected Save. The time was automatically set to my minimum billing increment of 0.1 hours. This timer has been saved. It can be reactivated later. I also selected the Make Fee option. This is the time entry that was saved. It's already stored on your server. No other action is necessary. You can adjust the display by selecting an option. I'll select Columns. You can now select which timer columns to display. I've selected All Columns. If they don't all display, rotate your phone. Now we have more display area. Very useful for data entry. As you save timers, they will be available for continued use later. You can also change the date being displayed or the person. The filter button controls which items will appear. Of course, you can always use the previous and next buttons to scroll forwards or backwards one day at a time. Several preset filters are available. That's all there is to it. We use the timer to create our time entry. It's been saved to the live Perfect Practice system. Real time, no delays. You don't need to select timers if you already know it will be a billable entry. Simply select the plus sign on the time bar to start a new time transaction. This screen works just like the timer screen. It just has additional options for hours, rate, and amount. You can always return to your main home screen by clicking on the image of a house. To see your appointments, select Appointments. The default setting is for myself on the current date. I have no appointments today. To see a different time frame, I can select the Filter button. I'm going to choose All. This will display all appointments assigned to me oldest first. You can see that these are old appointments, but I can't see what they're about. I'm going to turn my phone sideways. Now I have the maximum display area. I can see all the information on the appointments. Let's enter an appointment. Select the plus sign at the end of the menu bar to automatically start a new entry. This works just like timers and time entry. The only difference is you have a start and a stop time. Selecting Other will make all other transaction types appear. This option will default to the transaction list. If you just want to enter a transaction, you should click on the plus sign. The transaction list for each type of activity operates as previously shown. I'm sure you'll find Perfect Practice Mobile extremely helpful. You don't always have your laptop, but you always have your smartphone. While you're in court, you can set your appointments real time. If you set a trial date, the correct follow-ups will automatically be set. Workflow works from Perfect Practice Mobile just like it does from the office. Need your to-do list? Click on a button. For additional information on Perfect Practice Mobile, its features and its technical requirements, please contact a support or sales representative. The future is here.